My dear brothers and sisters, the scripture readings of today highlight one theme. That is, we need to examine our own self first. And so if conversion has to take place, we need to introspect what is going on in me and what I need to let go so that I can be a better person. Once a man was driving his car, and as other cars would overtake his vehicle, he would look and start grumbling and say, these owners, they don't care for their car, so dirty their car is. They need to wash their car sometime at least. And so he was, as the vehicles would overtake, he would say this type of he would say this type of words or pass judgment on those people driving their car. Then as he went further down, he decided to pull over into a gas station to refuel. And so as his vehicle was being refueled, the attendant said to him, "Sir, is it fine if I clean your car's windshield?" "Oh yeah, sure, you can do it." And so he washed the windshield. And then after that, when this owner of the car sat in, he was able to see everything clear. Because actually the dirt was on his own windshield, but when other cars would go ahead of him, he would think that their car is dirty. And so projecting everything out there rather than looking at what was actually within or his own. And so the scripture readings of today reminds us the same thing, that instead of first looking outward, let us look inward and then look outward. So once we clean our inside, then only we can help the other also to live better. And that is what Jesus is saying today. He's not saying or not forbidding fraternal correction. Yes, a fraternal correction is always helpful so that the other person also lives a better life. But he's saying, first look at your own self, put yourself in order, then you can help the other.